Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the ultimate camera beast. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is here with a Leica-powered quad camera, insane Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite performance, and lightning-fast 90W charging. Is this the best smartphone of 2025? Or just another overhyped Ultra? Let's find out! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest reviews.
Xiaomi 15 Ultra Unboxing and Review. The Beast Unleashed Unboxing Experience. The Box of Wonders. Imagine holding a box that screams, "I'm about to change your life." The Xiaomi 15 Ultra arrives in a sleek, minimalistic black box with a bold Ultra branding that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. If you're the type who loves peeling protective plastic off new gadgets, we see you. ASMR lovers, you'll be satisfied. Inside the box, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra obviously, wrapped in all its futuristic glory, a transparent protective case, because Xiaomi knows you'll drop it at least once while marveling at that massive camera. SIM ejector tool, to remind you that your old phone is about to be very jealous. USB to USB-C cable, for those of us who have 500 USB-C cables, but still lose them. 90W fast charger, yes, they still include one. Looking at you, Apple and Samsung. First impressions? Xiaomi did not skimp on premium vibes, and that 90W charger is a game changer in an era where other brands sell chargers separately like overpriced DLCs. Design and build? Is that a phone or a camera? At first glance, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra looks like someone glued a DSLR lens onto a smartphone, and we're not even mad. That huge circular camera module, practically a full moon, dominates the back, proudly wearing its Leica branding like a badge of honor. The two-tone silver chrome finish with black accents is particularly striking, and the curved edges make it a delight to hold. Assuming your hands are big enough to handle this beast, despite its bulk, Xiaomi has done an excellent job balancing the weight so that it doesn't feel top-heavy. Color options: black, classic, sleek, and makes you feel like a tech spy. White, elegant and clean, but if you're a messy eater, good luck. Silver chrome with black accents, the most futuristic and eye-catching option. Verdict: it's big, it's bold, it's got personality, but if you prefer tiny, pocket-friendly phones, you might need to hit the gym first. Display: Retina? More like eye-melting brilliance. This phone's 6.73-inch WQHD plus AMOLED display is stupidly gorgeous. We're talking 520 ppi density, 3200 x 1440 resolution, and a peak brightness of 3200 nits, which basically means you can stare at it under direct sunlight without summoning your inner mole. Why, it's awesome. 120 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling is smoother than your best pickup line. 1 to 120 Hz. Adaptive refresh rate. Saves battery without sacrificing performance. HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision, because your cat videos deserve cinema-level quality. 3200 nits brightness. You can watch TikToks while sunbathing without squinting like a grandpa. The curved edges blend seamlessly, giving it a futuristic feel, and watching Netflix or gaming feels super immersive. Performance: the speed demon. Inside this monster is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor, which sounds like a villain from a sci-fi movie but delivers mind-blowing performance. Octa-core CPU with 4.3 GHz. Prime Core. Translation: it's stupidly fast. Adreno GPU, because your games deserve to run at max settings. 16 GB RAM run. 50 Chrome tabs and Play Genshin. Impact without breaking a sweat. 512 GB. 1 TB storage, because deleting photos is for peasants. Real-life usage test. App switching, instant. Gaming, no frame drops. Even on highest settings. Heating, surprisingly cool, unless you're recording 4K videos for an hour. Benchmark scores, top tier, making your old phone feel like a potato. Verdict: if speed kills, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a serial killer. Camera: Leica's gift to humanity. Now, let's talk about the star of the show. The camera. Xiaomi teamed up with Leica to create a quad camera setup that basically turns you into a pro photographer overnight. Specs that make photographers cry tears of joy. Main sensor: 50 megapixel, 1-inch Sony LYT900 with f1.62 aperture, basically night vision. Telephoto: 50 megapixel Sony MX858 f1.8 3x zoom. Get close without getting close. Periscope telephoto: 200 megapixel, Samsung HP9 4.3x zoom. See the moon in 4K. Ultra-wide: 50 megapixel f2.2. Fit your entire friend group in one shot. Finally, testing the magic. Low light performance? Absolutely insane. Your night shots will look better than real life. Portrait mode? DSLR-like bokeh that makes everyone look like a celebrity. Zoom. At 4.3x optical zoom, you can read a street sign from 200 meters away. Video. For K120fps. With Dolby Vision HDR, basically, a Hollywood studio in your pocket. Fun fact. There's an optional photography kit that adds a physical shutter button, making it feel just like a real camera. Verdict. Best smartphone camera of 2025, probably. Software. Xiaomi's Hyperos runs the show, and while it's snappy, fluid, and AI-powered, it does have some pre-installed bloatware. You might spend the first 10 minutes deleting unwanted apps, but once that's out of the way, it's a smooth experience. AI-powered enhancements, smart photo editing, auto-captioning, and actually useful widgets, customization galore, themes, gestures, and everything in between. Bloatware? Unfortunately, yes. Verdict. If MIUI annoyed you, Hyperos might win you over. Might. Battery and charging. Speed of light recharging. With a 5,410 mAh battery, you can easily get a full day of heavy use. But the real magic? 90 West wired charging. 0% to 100% in under an hour. 80 West wireless charging. Faster than many wired chargers. Reverse wireless charging. Power up your earbuds or flex an iPhone users. Final verdict. Should you buy it? Pros. Best camera setup of any smartphone. Gorgeous AMOLED display with insane brightness. Super fast performance with flagship level hardware. Blazing fast charging 90 West wired. 8OW wireless. Premium design that turns heads. Cons. That camera bump is thick. Bloatware WHY. Xiaomi. Might be too big for some hands, pockets. Final score. 9.5 out of 10. If you want the best camera phone of 2025, insane performance, and lightning fast charging, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a no-brainer. Just be prepared for everyone asking, is that a phone or a camera?